Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the build. Sitting here cooking up some blackened fish wraps with some salad. Visiting Nashiro Beach here in southern tip of Okinawa. Super awesome beach. You can drive right up to it. People out here jet skiing, having a great time. There's four-wheelers, people swimming, snorkeling, all that. So everyone's got a barbecue going, so we're hanging out. It's Sunday afternoon. This is Okinawa style right here. You know, find a beach, cook outdoors, and just enjoy the weather, enjoy summer, and you know, take a break. So, oh yeah, everything's coming along very nice. All right, lunch is ready. We were hanging out, getting ready to eat this awesome spread right here. Some wraps, fish. This is gonna be good. Hook it up. And now we're gonna go ahead, a little bit of Japanese mayonnaise on it. And that is going to be it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and we're gonna manger. Not a bad place to have lunch, I must say. It's peaceful. Everybody's having a good time. We got some random beach decor right here. You know, it kind of like adds to the ambiance of the area here with this just abandoned boat on the beach. It kind of feels nice, actually. I'm using it as an anchor point for my tarp. This is pumice from there was an underground undersea volcanic eruption a few months ago, and this stuff it's very, very light and floats, but it just dominated Okinawa, like all on the western seashore. Just billions of pounds of this stuff floated up everywhere. And some places it almost destroyed the beaches, but sea coral. Pretty awesome. Now there's a guy fishing out there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but looks he's about waist deep of water. This looks like a pretty awesome place to tent camp, actually. Looking over there, if you had a good four-wheel drive, you could probably just drive all the way to here. But one thing, you know, depending on the tide, I don't know how deep the water gets. I mean, you can see where the pumice will float on the highest part, which is this line here. So I guess that would be an indicator that the rest of this would be on the water in high tide. Yeah, this would be just an epic tent camping spot right here. This is a great tent camping spot. Yeah, I wanted to snorkel through here, but these guys keep running these jet skis through here, and there's just no way. It's too dangerous. But the water's not really clear today. See if I can come over here. Oh. Yeah, this might even be a good fishing spot. I don't know how deep it is right here, but if it's deep, you know, maybe a couple meters with all this structure of rocks, I bet you this is a great fishing place. Oh yeah, that's pretty deep. Alright guys, well that's going to be a wrap for this video. I'm back home. As you can see, beautiful sunset behind me. It's always nice to come back and hang out on my balcony here in the evenings and, you know, just enjoy the sea breeze, sunset. There's people walking up and down the wall just enjoying the scenery out here. And anyway, it was a great day at the beach. Nice little van trip. Lunch was really good, and you know, it's always good to go on out there and take a little break, cook something, eat something good, do something healthy, get out and just enjoy life. So that's what it's all about, I guess. So until next time, as always, stay safe, continue to take care of yourselves, take care of each other. We'll see you on the next one.